avocado oil, garlic, ginger, white onion, onion, red pepper. Sweat it all out. Carrots, cinnamon sticks, star anise, scoop of cumin, whole cumin, fennel, bay leaves, cloves, coriander. We're gonna put this bag in the crock pot. We're gonna get a good sear on this grass-fed and finished beef chuck roast. Look at this sear. I want it like this, okay? And so you can use a regular pot or you can use the instant pot like I am. This should take about 45 minutes. Soy sauce, black soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, soybean sauce, tomato paste, beef base, water, pressure cook for 45 to 50 minutes. Pressure cook for 55 minutes. All right, it's done pressure cooking. We gotta be very careful because this is gonna be hot. Ooh, there we go. Smells so good. Ooh. See how tender the beef is. Oh, that's super. Oh, that's hot. Mmm.
I'm gonna stay up a lot, right? I'm gonna stay up a lot of time.
Mushrooms, sprouts. Ooh, it is finally done. Tender the beef is. Let's go for a noodle pool. It is definitely missing something. I need some of this momofuku extra spicy chili crunch sauce. Ooh.
Mom, can you help me?
Get your jar of chili oil in the TikTok shop today.